The secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, is a large bird of prey found in the open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. It is known for its unique appearance and distinctive hunting behavior. Here are some key features and facts about the secretary bird. Appearance. The secretary bird is a large bird, standing about 1.2 to 1.4 meters, 3.9 to 4.6 feet, tall. It has a long neck, long legs, and a relatively short tail. The bird's name comes from its crest of long, black feathers that resemble quill pens behind its head. It has a mostly gray body, with black flight feathers and distinctive bare, red facial skin. Hunting and diet. Secretary birds are skilled hunters, primarily preying on small mammals, reptiles, and insects. They have a unique hunting technique where they walk on the ground, often covering large distances, and use their long legs to stamp and kick prey. This method helps flush out hiding animals like snakes, lizards, and rodents. They also feed on insects, including grasshoppers and locusts. Behavior. Secretary birds are usually solitary or found in pairs, although they may gather in loose groups during the non-breeding season. They are diurnal, active during the day. When not hunting, they spend a significant amount of time on the ground, walking with a distinctive strut and rhythm. Habitat. Secretary birds inhabit open grasslands, savannas, and dry steppes. They prefer areas with a mix of grass for foraging and trees or tall vegetation for nesting. Breeding. Secretary birds form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. They build large nests, often on top of thorny acacia trees, using sticks and lined with grass or leaves. The female lays 2 to 3 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them for about 45 days. After hatching, the chicks are cared for and fed by both parents until they fledge, which typically occurs around 60 to 70 days. Conservation status. The secretary bird is currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, UCN. The main threats to their population include habitat loss, pesticide use affecting prey availability, and accidental poisoning. The secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, has an average lifespan of around 10 to 15 years in the wild. However, in captivity, they can live longer, with some individuals reaching up to 20 to 25 years or more. The lifespan of secretary birds can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, habitat conditions, predation risks, and access to food sources. It's important to note that these are average lifespan estimates, and individual secretary birds may vary in their longevity. Factors such as habitat loss, hunting, and human interference can also impact their lifespan and overall population numbers. The secretary bird is an iconic and fascinating bird with its distinctive appearance and hunting behavior, making it a significant part of Africa's wildlife.